Hey, come here. Get back. Come back.
Yeah?
Yeah. You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
I did not.
Here, take these. Take these from you.
And?
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back for the moment till we figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Okay, and? You're arresting me for what?
Well,
For what?
you turn around. Okay, stop. Okay?
For what?
You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Okay, we got a bunch of calls on you. Huh?
I did not. You're not.
Damn, they
No.
got her
We
secured
gotta
at the
call my attorney.
I don't care about your attorney right now, okay?
Okay, so what do I do?
Stop.
No,
Okay,
you're gonna stop. You're gonna stop.
Man, don't make me do this bull. Okay?
Listen, we're not doing this.
I know. Stop.
came home.
Okay, I don't care what we're doing. Okay? Now I'm gonna put you in the car.
No, you're not. I have a right to
Have a
call my...
seat.
No, I have a right to
Have a
call my
seat.
attorney. I have a right to
Put
call
your
my
feet in
attorney.
now.
I'm not.
Put your feet in, or I'm
No.
gonna force you to put your
You
feet
can call
in.
my attorney.
I'll call your attorney when you put
Okay.
your feet in.
I absolutely...
Put your feet in.
I did not do anything right.
Okay? Then chill out and we'll figure it out in a minute.
Okay,
Put your feet
thank
in.
you. That's really tight.
Well, because you kept trying to snatch away from me.
I did not. My handcuffs are really tight. They're bleeding.
We're not bleeding.
They're hurting me really bad.
We're not comfortable.
They're really bad.
Well, you shouldn't have tried to snatch away from me.
I did not try to snatch away from you.
Well, I mean,
Please loosen them up.
okay, I will shortly, okay? Or we'll figure it out. But if you're going to keep being uncooperative with me, I'm not going to do it.
Loosen them up.
I will if you stop being uncooperative with me shortly.
I'm not being uncooperative with you. I just
Ma'am,
pulled up.
you're on body cam video, okay?
Absolutely, that's fine.
So,
I am not
4659 St. John, 1012 434.
Loosen my...
Fine, thank
How's that?
All right, turn that way. You're not getting out. Turn that way. Put your foot back in.
Can you pull...
I'm
please
looking.
make
I'm
them
trying to see how
loose?
tight they are.
They're really tight.
Okay, turn that way. Straighten your arms for me.
I am shaking my arms.
Don't do that. Bring your arms back.
I am.
Bring your arms back.
Are tight. Okay.
All right, they're not too tight. I haven't had a chance to look at her car. But if she's hammered, I saw her driving. So,
Yeah, we got some threat damage right here.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Fantastic.
Why did I do wrong?
I told you hit a bunch of cars in the Durban Pavilion parking lot.
Prove to me.
You got damage all over your car. We got a
This part of the damage on my car for previous accident.
yeah. We got a bunch of witnesses. Okay,
Who's the accident?
a bunch,
Witnesses?
a bunch. So we're gonna deal with it shortly.
That's fine. That's fine. I didn't hit a single car.
Well, a bunch of people said you did,
I did.
and we got it on video.
Where? Show me the video.
4659
you'll see it.
434.
Show me the video.
You'll see it. Don't worry.
Show it to me.
Don't worry.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Done for, we got
Can you please loosen
some,
these
white
handcuffs?
prints and
They're
things.
super tight.
I tried, but you weren't cooperating with me. Okay.
They're hurting me.
I was trying, but you weren't
No,
cooperating.
I
Done for us next time.
That's it.
Well, my name's Deputy Evans with the Sheriff's Office, and I smell a strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath. You've been drinking? Well, since you hit a car, you're involved in a hit and run. Okay,
I never hit a car. They never pulled over. No one did anything. That's what I'm saying. Like, if,
well, they saw you.
okay, if they would have pulled me over, I would have said something the whole time.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm going to conduct a criminal investigation for DUI. Okay. And since you were seen driving a vehicle, I want to make sure that you're okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what we're going to do? So what we're going to do? Yeah. So what we're going to do? We're going to take them off, and then we're going to do some what's called field sobriety test. There's a nice
That
white line over there.
That works.
Come on out,
Can you
young lady.
please? I can't.
What's your first name?
You can step out.
Anastasia.
Anastasia.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and step out.
They
I'll take
hurt
them off.
so bad.
I'll take them off for you. Okay.
No. Hold
You
on.
okay?
No. I'm naked.
Okay. Well, I don't need to. Well, how about we pull this up for you? We don't want you to be naked. Okay. Go ahead and turn around. We'll take them off for you.
Thank you.
All right, when I tell you to do so, what I want you to do is put your right hand on top of your head until I tell you to take it down, all right? All right. All right. I appreciate your cooperation.
Thank you, babes.
Babes. I haven't been called that in many years.
Because I'm
Babes.
a dancer. I'm a dancer.
You're a what?
Dancer.
A dancer. What kind of dance?
Adult.
Huh? Adult dancer. Okay. Not wrong with that.
Okay, I'm done.
We all have to make a living, right?
I sure do.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So what I need for you to do is I need for you to come over here with me, and we're going to make sure that you're okay. Do me a favor. See this line right here? What I need for you to do is put your hands together. Tell him I'm sensitive.
Who there? Somebody calling you?
Brent.
I got it.
So you don't want to do the most. Okay. At this point, you are going to be placed under arrest.
All right,
Yes,
man.
I will be gentle. I'm always
Hey,
gentle.
stop. You're being
I'm always gentle.
Okay.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Thank you.
I'm always,
Okay,
always
sounds good.
gentle. Okay?
Yeah.
And I'll put these nice and
Yeah.
loose on you so they
Thank
won't
you.
hurt your wrist. Okay?
Thank you. You're
All right.
amazing. Thank you.
We're here to help you.
I know you are. You're being nice. He was not being nice. You're being nice.
Who wasn't being nice? My boss? My boss is a super, super nice
You're
guy.
super nice. You're being super nice. Okay. Oh my God. Hold on. Stop. My shit is flying up. My is up.
I don't need to know anything about your
Can someone like?
stuff.
We're working on it.
No. Can you like?
You're good now.
We moved you so the wind doesn't blow where things can be shown.
Thank you.
All right. At this time, you are being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Okay.
And I have to read a few things for you, but we can do that in the car.
Okay.
All right? Come on over here.
Whoa,
You
easy.
okay?
No, you tripped me. What the fuck?
Come on, you can't walk very well. That's the
No,
problem.
he tripped me.
He
What
didn't
the
trip
fuck?
you. Relax.
How many?
You were being so nice to me, and now you're yelling at me.
I am.
I don't need your stuff to be I'll fix your tie, okay? There you go. All right. Go ahead and have a seat. I gotta read you a few things, okay? I want you to pay attention, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. Do you understand each of these rights that I have explained to you?
Yes, I do.
Now, with these rights of mine, you want to talk to me about what's going on today?
I wonder why you calling me to the side.
Okay. Well, we'll start with the hit and run. Okay. Over in the Petco parking lot, you hit a car. Okay. So you were seen by a person hitting their car.
Okay.
Okay. You have damage consistent with the damage.
Actually, I have damage from my previous accident 2 months ago that I didn't fix from Mercedes.
Okay.
I can testify to the Mercedes-Benz accident
Okay.
because I was hit 2 months ago. That is not true. I can testify and I can show you the records.
Okay.
I can show you if you let me come my phone.
I'm not doing the crash investigation.
not.
Deputy Klauser
I
is
did
doing
not
the
hit
crash
nobody.
investigation. And what'll happen is you'll get the
Okay.
paperwork for that.
Yeah, that's
okay?
fine.
But I'm doing the criminal investigation,
That's fine.
and that's for DUI. Okay.
Okay.
You were seen driving a motor vehicle.
Okay.
I smell a strong odor of an alcoholic
Smell
beverage
alcohol. Okay.
emitting from your breath. Okay.
Okay. And that's what you assume.
Now I can smell it.
You can smell it. So your smell
You
is
told
for
me.
alcohol. I did not tell you.
You told me that you had some drinks at the time.
No, that's not what I told you.
Go ahead and slide your feet that way.
Okay. So, what?
Slide your feet that way.
I said you can't take it.
Yes.
Okay.
Slide your feet that way.
Okay.
All right, bingo.
I don't want you to open the door. I want you to slide.
Close the door. We'll talk about it.
No. Because if you
Put your
slide
feet
the
in.
door, you take
Put
me
your
to
feet
in.
jail.
You are going to jail. You're under arrest.
I'm not.
Okay. Put your feet in.
I'm not
If
resisting arrest.
if you resist,
said-
you're going to catch another
you
charge.
said-
So I'm
Sir.
going to give you one more opportunity.
Sir, you
One
said,
more.
You
Put your
said-
feet in the car.
You said was, if I am,
Sit up. Stop being ridiculous.
Stop. Okay? Relax. I'm going to
No.
sit you back up and we're going to shut the door. Okay? Relax.
Yeah, just sit up, please.
We're gonna have
Can you pull her over, Josh?
to. We can put her.
All right, I'm going to shut this door and then we're going to have to kick her feet up. Good night.
I'm not resisting.
He's already
What are you talking about? What are you?
And we're going to have to pull her out and tarp her, it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm not resisting. What are you talking about?
What's up, bud? Hey, I want to give you a couple updates on your mom. Okay, we've got her. She's going to be going to jail tonight.
Why?
Okay, she would hit a bunch of cars in the parking lot, and she's real drunk. So, yeah. Is there anybody else that can come hang out with you, or are you good by yourself?
I'm good by myself.
Okay.